Welcome to IQuotes. In this video, we'll learn how to start trading on IQuotes. Part 1. Market Menu and Varieties. With just one click on the Market menu, you can view the various trading varieties available. There are two main tabs. The Favorites tab, for the varieties you've selected and liked, and the Hot tab, which shows the most active products at the moment. Click on the name of the product you want to trade, for example, BTC USDT. Part 2. Account Types and Charts. The IQuotes app provides two types of accounts. A demo account, for risk-free practice, and a real account, for trading with actual funds. You can see the active account type at the top and switch it any time. The market chart is displayed in candlestick format, which is useful for analyzing price movements. Part 3. Supporting Features. To gain deeper understanding, click the Rules button to see product details. Also, use the Tutorial button if this is your first time using the app. Part 4. Trading on Demo Account. If you're using a demo account, you can start by selecting your desired variety. Then analyze the chart and decide the price direction, up or down. Choose the time frame, minutes, hours, or days. For example, if you choose 1 hour, each candle represents the price within 1 hour. Part 5. Analysis and Order Execution. Use technical indicators to support your analysis. Each indicator serves a different purpose, so be sure to learn how they work before using them. If your analysis shows the price will rise, choose Buy. If it's predicted to fall, choose Sell. Part 6. Lots, Leverage, and Risk. Determine the number of lots you want to trade. IQuotes uses the smallest unit of 0.01 lots. Next, choose the leverage. The higher the leverage, the greater the profit potential, but also the higher the risk. Keep in mind, each product has different leverage settings. Part 7. Take Profit and Stop Loss. Activate Take Profit and Stop Loss to set your target profit and loss limits. Click the mark icon to set TP and SL according to your strategy. Part 8. Costs and Execution. Make sure your balance is sufficient to cover margin and trading fees, which depend on the lot size you choose. Check complete info in the Rules section, as each product has different conditions. Once everything is ready, click the Buy or Sell button. Part 9. Managing Positions. View all your open positions in the Positions section. If you're experiencing a large loss, add more funds immediately to prevent your position from being auto-closed by the system. To close a position manually, click the down arrow, then select Close. Check the result to see whether you made a profit or loss. Thank you for watching. Download IQuotes now and start trading.